Welcome back to the channel. Well, today's video we had a chance to link back up with our buddy that had the blue Redeye that we ran a video or two ago. So our goal was to get a best of 3 race. We had a pretty nice set of races. Take a look at the video, let me know what you think, and go from there. Woo! So we're running a Redeye again. I told you guys I'd try and link back up with this guy so we can finish off our race. He said he's got a few more passes in and he's ready to go. That's what we do this for. Door to door. Door to door. I enjoyed that a lot. Curious what the ticket was. I mean, it was probably like a 10.5, 10.6 run, but just side by side all the way down, left together. I mean, I got them, that I know, but I want to do it again. So like, that's what you live for, those type of races, not some blowout where the guy blew the tires, so yeah, you got an easy win. Just a full gut out, car on car, see who had a little more. I felt like I was trying to pull a little, but not by much. Like I think I trapped it slightly more than him, but I don't know. We're about to get the ticket, about to find out, but I definitely love that race. Thank you.
Everything in water box.
10.6, 10.6. 131, 131. Like I said, a door-to-door race. Reaction times were about the same. 0.14, 0.12. Yeah, literally, this was identical. The passes were identical. 8th mile, 104.9. Both of us. Mile an hour in the end, 131.9, 131.5. 10.63 versus 10.67. Yeah, that was wonderful. So now we'll do it again. I'm happy he was able to get that car down and got it together. And oh man, I can't even explain how good that race felt. I mean, I'll keep trying. That was epic. That was epic. Okay, going for Redeye take 2 for the night. See if we can't keep to our winning ways. Hopefully. Oh, that's what we're running. That thing was door to door, man.
Yeah.
It was great. Alright. See what we do. So we got that little second that it chirped. Two very evenly matched in their current conditions. So we're 1 for 1. Get one more, break this tie. And this is why we go for a best of 3, because anything can happen on any given run. Last run was perfect for both of us. I was able to just nudge it. This run, like I said, I got a little tire chirp because I hit the gas. I was on the verge of leaving late, so I wound up hitting the gas harder than I should have. So that's all on me. Thank you.
You're welcome.
And that is, woo! Oh man, besides just leaving late, he ran a 10.5 to my 10.6. Oh man. Alright. We got these cars are pretty evenly matched right now. We are at Redeye round 3. We are 1 up apiece, going for our final run to see if who the true winner is going to be here. Tiebreaker time. Traction controls off. All right, everything's ready. We're recording. Wanted it too bad. Whatever, I think whatever that guy was leaking, I must have rolled over something, because she damn sure had a little spin there. Definitely had a little spin there. A lot of spin there. Ah! It is what it is though. That's racing. I mean, I'm pretty sure that car that was sitting in front of us leaked something, because I've never spun like that. Not with 4-wheel. Ah! So upsetting. So upsetting. But no such thing as a guarantee. Thank you. Still ran a 10.9, spinning like that. Oh, looky. That's what happened there. Somebody red lit. Yeah, that's what happened with me. It looked like he had one hell of a reaction. Default one. Not quite what we wanted. Shit, he ran damn good. He ran at 10.5. 10.5, 10.59, 131. I said we throw that run out. And we go one more time. We're proper.
Licenses for helmet return are in the winner's circle lounge. And again, remember,
Okay, so that last run, we both, without even speaking to each other, felt that that run was a throwaway run. Because he red lit due to all that stuff leading up to us making a pass with the car ahead of us, and then me spinning, and everything was a cluster. So
that was like Uncle Buck.
oh shit! Fucking road tree? Really? They could have let us know that it was going to be a pro tree. Can't win. That's a little upsetting there. That is a little upsetting. I'm hoping we can get one more because, like, really? A pro tree? We've been running a sportsman tree all night and all of a sudden there's a pro tree out. Kudos to him for him jumping right at that. Hopefully one more because I can't. I'm upset with that. I don't know. Maybe I'm just coming up with excuses. Maybe that's what it is. You guys think I'm coming up with excuses with them all of a sudden changing the tree without letting us know? Well, after seeing the races, you can see the first race was a wonderful race. I won. Always a good thing. But second, it was a door-to-door race. Second race, he kind of got me off at a tree. I slept a little, and so he got that win. Third race was where we started to have problems. There was some issues with a car that was ahead of us going down the track. So him and the track staff was going back and forth. We sat there for probably 25 minutes by the water box waiting to go because this guy was having some issues with the staff or whatever about rules and regulations and stuff. So when we finally got a chance to go, we were rushed. They almost had my buddy with the Redeye go by himself, but then while he's already at the tree, they tell me to come up finally. So then when I come up, now I'm rushed. He was rushed. The tree started coming down. He red lit. I spun. So it was just like an entire wasted of a race, of a run. But so we're like, all right, let's try it again. One more time before the night's over. So we went back for a fourth run. Our fourth run, as you could see, they switched the tree on us. So we've been running Sportsman all night. Out of the blue, it was a pro tree, which neither one of us were aware of, neither one of us were prepared for. So both of us kind of slept there. So it was just a matter, he slept a little less than I did. I took a longer nap. Like I said, we weren't aware of what was coming, so it was just craziness. So we never got a true tiebreaker. But you know, it kind of is what it is, and we'll run again. He's still pretty much stock with just a drag radio, so eventually I'm pretty sure he'll get a tune or something on there and really make some fun. Or I'll have my drag radios on him and really have some fun. But that's pretty much it. As always, keep the comments coming. Let me know how you feel about the video. Any suggestions, whether it's vehicles to run, whether it's things you like or didn't like in the video, let me know. You know, all input is wanted. I mean, nothing crazy, but all input is wanted for the most part. So we'll go from there. We're going to try and set some things up with a couple of the YouTubers that I did see requested in the videos that are local. So here we go.